Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw straight line of different types in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my Microsoft Word document and I'm going to show you how you can draw straight line of different types. First of all, we need to go to the Insert menu and then we're going to go to the Shapes and select Line. And here you'll be able to draw a line like this. Okay, and if you want to change the type of the line or the style of the line, you can click on this option. Okay, you can select the theme styles right here. Okay, then you'll be able to change the color of the shape of line. Right here, I'm going to change it to purple. Then you can change or customize the weight. I'm going to make it thicker. Alright, then you can change the dashes as well. For example, I'm going to select dash. Okay, and this is the result. And you can customize the line according to your needs. You'll be able to change it to arrows as well. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all the way to draw straight line of different types in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.